292 Kershner. Probably a landscape cleanup one time. Not a ton of maintenance needs to be done for the landscaping. There's no wooden frames to maintain, which is nice. Plantation shutters are a nice upgrade. The walls are a grayish color. Might need some touch up. Jenny's call on the repaint, on whether or not it needs a repaint. Cabinets look pretty good overall. This area shows a bit of wear, nothing unusual. That crack is nothing to worry about. For whatever reason, when they were building the walls, they didn't put places for stress fractures. This is a nice backyard. Lots of concrete is already down. Some green, lots of shade. A wet bar. Tile in the laundry. And a counter. Sometimes people add security bars to doors in the garage. Carpet on the stairs. I think the carpet, personally, could stay. We'll see what Jenny says. We don't want any locking door handles, so maybe replace those. This is probably the nicest room in the house from what I've seen so far. Great use of space. No blinds necessary here. Okay, that's the property.